11 herbs that repair the liver naturally. The liver, your body's detox powerhouse, often silently suffers. Over time, toxins accumulate, but nature offers a helping hand. These 11 herbs aren't just remedies, they're guardians of your liver's health. Let's talk glycyrrhizin. Found in licorice root, it's a natural shield against liver toxins. Not only does it combat harmful agents, but it also offers a fighting chance against hepatitis B, promoting liver health like never before. Meet Phyllanthus amyris, a subtle yet powerful herb. Its compounds work behind the scenes to reduce harmful liver toxins, making it an unsung hero in the battle for better liver health. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a liver's best friend. Thanks to curcumin, it reduces liver fat deposits. This mighty root brings a golden touch to optimal liver function and wellness. Ginger goes beyond taste. It aids in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease management. This zesty herb speeds up metabolism and promotes anti-inflammatory responses, giving your liver a fresh lease on life. Green tea extract is an antioxidant powerhouse. It helps fend off hepatic fibrosis and liver cancer, offering your liver a robust shield and a long-term health strategy. Milk thistle is famous for its role in liver resilience. Packed with antioxidants, it supports liver recovery, ensuring that it stands strong against everyday toxins and pollutants. Ginseng root blends tradition with modern liver benefits. As an antioxidant-rich herb, it amplifies liver health, keeping it resilient and robust against various challenges. Tiny but mighty, wolfberries infuse the liver with protective nutrients. They encourage repair and resilience, helping sustain liver health over time. Blackthorn leaves work like a repair kit for liver cells. Their natural ingredients promote rejuvenation, keeping liver cells lively and functioning effectively. Baobab, the mighty African fruit, packs a punch for liver recovery. It offers essential nutrients that cater to the restorative needs of liver health. Garlic isn't just for your kitchen. It reduces liver fat buildup and corrects chemical imbalances, acting as a universal cleanser for your liver. Integrating these herbs into your routine could transform your liver health. Always consult healthcare providers, but don't wait. Start your journey with nature's gifts today. Your liver will thank you. Embark on a path to wellness by incorporating these herbs into your life. Share your experiences and join a community committed to liver health. Remember, a healthier liver is a healthier you. Take action now and nurture your body naturally.